Welcome to the channel, where we explore the exciting and powerful world of logging. Here, you will witness giant machines, advanced technology, and passionate people working in the wild. Don't forget to subscribe to join us today. In the heart of the ancient forest, where trees tower high with trunks wider than most could imagine, the role of professional woodcutters is nothing short of heroic. The silence is broken by the roar of the saw, as it slices through the thick bark, showering the air with sawdust. Each precise cut brings the towering giant closer to its fall. The tree sways, and with a thunderous crash, it finally succumbs to gravity. The sound echoes through the forest, a mix of awe and reverence. That Timber Pro TL775D, what a machine! On the rugged slopes of the west coast, it devours timber like it's nothing, and with the Quadco 27C head, it's designed for high production logging. $850,000 might sound steep, but for the boost in efficiency, it's worth every penny.
Feel the ground shake.
The Climax CMX-1, it's not just cutting trees. It's practically scaling mountains to get to them. Modern technology has revolutionized safety and efficiency in logging, making once perilous tasks much safer. Logging in the rain is a challenge of its own. You can see Ross struggling to get his truck up a greasy, slick hill. The struggle is real, but with the help of a bulldozer, they manage to pull through. And then, there's the CAT 522B. With an elevated cab giving panoramic views and a luxury air suspension seat, it's not just about comfort, it's about power and precision. This machine, with over 1,500 hours of hard work, still runs like new. The logging industry is not just about brute strength. Machines like the John Deere 1910G in Europe are engineered for smoothness and efficiency, even in smaller, well-managed forests. But here in North America, we need raw power. From stump removal to timber hauling, modern machines have transformed logging into a sophisticated dance of technology and precision. Machines like the Carlton 7015 TRX make once grueling tasks look effortless. So, the next time you hear the echo of a tree falling in the woods, remember, it's not just the sound of timber hitting the ground. It's the sound of human ingenuity meeting nature, a balance of respect and mastery. Here we go, watching the John Deere 803MH as it dominates the timber game. With a massive 285 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 9,368 lb-ft of torque. This beast tackles the toughest conditions effortlessly. Its 29.1-foot reach and 5.7 meters per second debarking speed mean it doesn't just work, it conquers. In the heart of the forest, a majestic 8-foot oak stands tall. The sawyers move in, and those sharp blades bite into the wood with swift ferocity. But this giant resists, for a moment. Oh wait, the final wedge is cut, and there she goes. The mighty oak has fallen. Now, let's check out the wood production line. Long logs zoom through the saw blade like they're on a ride, turning into perfectly sized boards in seconds. Meanwhile, deep in the forest, a lumberjack expertly wields the MS-462CM chainsaw. With a powerful 72 cubic centimeters engine and anti-vibration features, this wood warrior gets the job done, priced at $1,400. It could be yours. Imagine a tree as a giant Jenga tower, each branch and not a potential point of collapse. You're the player, carefully removing pieces, trying to control the fall. But remember, even the most skilled Jenga player can't predict every outcome. That's why having an escape route is crucial. If these coastal pines could scream, they'd be shrieking when the C-144 harvester rolls into town. It's like a face hugger on steroids, only instead of laying eggs, it's harvesting timber at a ridiculous 75 cubic meters per hour. Forget chainsaws and axes, this thing makes logging look like a leisurely stroll through the woods. Time to retire those old tools and let the C-144 do the heavy lifting. The PON LKK9 exemplifies the synergy achievable when cutting-edge technology meets skilled operation. Power and agility, coupled with the operator's expertise, transform timber handling into a seamless process. Ever seen a chainsaw on steroids? That's the Deming Logging Show in a nutshell, where lumberjacks turn into rock stars and chainsaws become their screaming guitars. Holy moly! That's like a scene straight out of an action movie. Those logs are giants, and that truck is dancing on the edge. This video shows logging activities in Grand Rapids, Minnesota, USA. It's teamwork at its finest, a symphony of efficiency. Think unloading timber is easy? Think again. These massive logs require a specialized forklift and a skilled operator to bring them down from the transport truck. Right, I have no complaints about the logger's skills, but that cameraman standing in the trees falling zone during the cut? Maybe I'm being too critical. What do you think? Hit me up in the comments. Thanks for watching today's video. If you love tech content and amazing stories, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos. See you in the next video.